Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You are starting immediately. Press Ctrl+ or choose View then Terminal to show the integrated terminal. Once visible, make sure the terminal is the integrated panel and not an external window, because only the integrated terminal can change panel position. Now focus on the panel header and the terminal tab area. These controls let you move the panel or drag terminals into editor groups. Make sure you see the panel toolbar icons before proceeding to position change. Next, change the position. Open the command palette and run view. Toggle panel position to switch between bottom and right quickly. Once done, you can right-click the panel title bar and choose Move Panel Left, Right, or Bottom for explicit placement. Alternatively, click and drag a terminal tab into the editor area to dock it as an editor tab. This gives you a split layout. Make sure to release only when you see the placement preview. That preview confirms the new position. Finish by persisting your choice. Open Settings and set Workbench. Panel. Default location to bottom or right so new windows follow that layout. Once done, test by closing and reopening the window. Make sure the terminal reappears where expected. If the panel does not move or behaves oddly, run View, reset view locations, or restart Vscode. Disable extensions that modify layout, then retry. One key troubleshooting tip. Reset the workbench layout to restore default placements if moves fail repeatedly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.